Here is how to install a XP rail. Start by placing rail on forks. Make sure the holes on the rail line up with the wall brackets the best as possible. Also make sure the heat port on the rail is facing the wall. Next, raise the rail. If the rail is not centered on the forks, you may have to balance it from each side. Once the rail is high enough, you can hook the rail onto the wall bracket. Once the rail is up, use an alignment tool to align the holes. When the rail holes are aligned with the wall bracket holes, slide in a bolt. On the side closest to the wall, place a lock washer and a nut on the bolt, then you can tighten the nut and bolt. Repeat for the next 3 bolts for the wall bracket. Continue to fasten down the rail to the other wall brackets. Measure the distance between the rails. Make sure you measure center of rail to center of rail. This distance needs to match the measurement between the V-rollers on the bridge. To get that measurement, take a tape measure and measure center of V-rollers across the bridge. Ensure that the floating V-rollers are center of mounting shaft. Once the rails have been adjusted to match the machine measurement, it is time to hang the machine. The XP has lifting slots on top of the machine for the forks to go. Slide forks into the lift slots. Be cautious about the distance of the fork lift to the XP covers. You could cause damage to the cover if not aware. When lifting XP machine, make sure the machine is properly positioned with the bridge box closest to the side with the transition box. Next, align the V-rollers with the rails and slide V-rollers onto the rail. Once the XP is on the rails, it will need to be squared up to ensure the machine moves smoothly along the rail. Using a tape measure, measure the bridge to end of rail. Make sure both sides has the same measurement to ensure the machine is square on the rails. After that is measured, install the idler gears to keep the machine from getting out of square. The idler gears are the ones that do not have screws in the plastic of the gear. Next, when the bridge is up and squared, the stops will need to be installed. We have multiple types of stops, so ensure the stops you have will stop the machine. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact Oasis.